Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's start modeling this couch and the other elements over here. So I can just go over here. Let's go into extended primitives and I'll take one chamfer box over here. So let's just take a chamfer box slightly in this way. I can just assign it over here. Slightly I'll increase its width, and if fillet is required I can slightly increase that. So I'll just go into this over here. I'll rotate it and I'll slightly just shuffle it over here so we cannot see it fully. I'll just convert to poly, select this polygons, I'll slightly just shuffle it similarly over here, and again I'll make a copy of it. So how much is going to be visible, we'll see that. Now after that, let's again create one more chamfer box over here. Slightly we'll just place it in this way, and again I will duplicate it one more. I'll resize it. So I'll just go over here. I can just make the copies over here if needed. So what I'll do over here is like, I'll just reduce its width over here a bit, and I can slightly increase its segments. Let's just shuffle it over here and go into this, and I'll give FFD box modifier. I'll slightly just push this up if needed. If anything more details are required, we'll give that. So for now I'll just again make one more copy of it in this way. So I'll just keep it over here. Now after that, I'll go into this view. Let's take a line tool and I'll just click over here, select the vertices, and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I can slightly assign a fillet. I'll go over here, I'll drag it down, enable in viewport, reduce its size. I'll just keep it over here, convert to poly, and I'll just select this. Let's give one connect over here. So select the polygons and let's give a bit of extrude by local normal. Let's click OK. So once this is done, I'll duplicate it over here in this way, and let's again take a chamfer box. I'll activate this. I'll just go down. So I'll go into this and convert to poly. Let's give FFD box again over here. So I'll just assign. Let's go into the control points. I'll just push this up. I'll just isolate this, select this. So as many control points you need, you can give that. It's all up to you. I can select this as well and push this up, select this both and push it down and isolate this. So convert to editable poly. So I'll just drag it over here. I can slightly increase the size if needed, and let's rotate it in this way. And even you can create the couches over here as well. Sorry, not the couches, the pillows over here if needed. I can just select this, push it over here. So let's go into this, and I'll take again one box over here. I'll just save the file once. And let's give the segments, let's give a cloth modifier over here. Let's go into the object properties and let's go into this. And let's give some pressure over here. Let's click OK and go down. I'll make this gravity as 0, and I can just use this simulate option, convert to poly. Let's rotate it, and I can just slightly resize it. I can put it a bit down if needed in this way. You can just rotate it, and let's just place it over here as well. So select this and this. You can make multiple copies of it in this way. We can just push this a bit inside if not needed in this way. So select this again, and let's mirror it, copy it in x-axis over here. Alright, now, so once this is done, we can again go over here. So we do have one photo frame over here. I'll activate this. Let's just drag it up. We can just place it in this way. That's it. All right. Now, so there are many assets over here. So let's go into this, and let's take a line over here, and let's try to create this small assets. I'll off this enable in viewport. And let's go into this and give a lathe modifier. So I can just go over here, let's give vertices and adjust it. Right click, let's give a bit of refine over here in this way. Convert to editable poly. So let's just drag it. Slightly we can scale it. And let's assign a shell modifier. Slightly just reduce the size of it. And I'll just drag it a bit inside. And I'll just place it over here. So we can make some more copies if needed. I'll slightly increase its size over here and I'll place it over here on this side. Alright. So similarly, again I'll take this and I'll again put it over here as well. So if you want to make any changes, you can just again convert to poly and let's give some FFD cylinder. Oops. Okay. Better we give FFD box only, so that would be much better. And if any changes are required into it, I can use this control points and I can do those changes. Okay, I'll just, so you can just remove that from Max, so we can just remove that, or else it is going to work from all the axes. Anyways, so I'll just go over here and I'll just save this similarly. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.